Alright, so our parts are done. It's been about 15 minutes. Now that we have all of the parts cut out, we've got to weigh every part and make sure that both sides are actually the same weight so that when we put the blade together, it's perfectly balanced.
Let's play with some acids. First of all, Riley messed up a little bit. He welded these pieces together before he removed the mill scale. But the mill scale has to come off of here for us to be able to do anything to this metal. And it's really difficult to remove. The best way to get it off is to dissolve it. And you can dissolve it very easily with different types of acids. And you can see the reaction happen when I put this acid on. See how quickly this acid is burning through the mill scale on the steel. It's made a definitive difference. If I leave it on there for more than just a few seconds, I'll have perfectly clean steel underneath. I cleaned this one up so you can see the welds. That one's still dirty. I did the fun part. I guess you can do the grinding now. Have fun.
Alright.
We decided we're gonna have ourselves a little grinder race. We need to clean the surface and put the bevels on. Ready, set, go.
Okay, okay, okay.
I just finished. Riley got done about 10 minutes before I did. Let's look at his. He didn't gouge as deep on his, and he doesn't have these bevel areas between the changes on the blade, those lines right there. So I mean, in my mind, I won. But he did finish before me, so.
I don't know, man. I'm pretty comfy over here. It's time to actually break some stuff with them. Oh, that went right through. I'd say that these swords are pretty tough, but they need to look a lot prettier because the Thanos sword is an ornate sword.
Time to do some fancy stuff.
Fancy stuff time. Jesus! That's heavy. Oh my god, man. We need to do some detail work. So we're going to do some sort of saltwater etching thing to put these patterns into the metal.
What's going on here is we're putting salt water and electricity on the steel and it makes it go away. We're basically rapidly rusting the steel. It's kind of crazy. It's done, and now it's time to clean it off and see the final product. That is the metal that has been removed with salt water.
That is a really, really nice looking sword. Alright, first side's done, so let's do the other side. It's finally done, and now it's time to present it to him.